I will be doing my second Teach It video over 2-3A number 21. So we have a problem with a Venn diagram, and we start off making our Venn diagram, this being math, this being chemistry, and this being physics. The problem tells us that John did a survey of 100 students. 45 take math, 40 take chemistry, and 47 take physics. 20 take mathematics and chemistry, 15 take chemistry and physics, 10 take mathematics and physics, 8 take all three of these subjects, and 10 students take none of these three subjects. Do you think John should be hired on the basis of this report? Explain why. So we can start off by writing 10 over here because we have 10 students that don't take any of these subjects. After that, we have another key thing of information, that is that 8 students take all three. So we can put the number 8 in the middle where all three of these subjects intersect. After that, we can go look at the data for the next piece of information. Next, we have 20 take mathematics and chemistry, which is right here. Well, since we already have 8, we have to take 8 out of 20, which leaves us with 12. Then we can move on. 15 take chemistry and physics, which is right here. However, we already have 8, so we take 15 minus 8, which leaves us with 7. After that, 10 take mathematics and physics, which is right here. Again, we already have 8, so we take 10 minus 8, which leaves us with 2 students. Now we have filled that out. After this, we can look back at the big pieces of information. For example, the problem tells us that 40 students take chemistry. Now we can add up 12 plus 8 plus 7, which is 27, and we take that total minus out of the real total, which is 40. So 40 minus 27 is 13. And now we have our circle of how many students take chemistry. We can go do the same thing for math. 12 plus 8 is 20, plus 2 is 22. Now we have 45 students that take mathematics. So 45 minus 22 leaves us with 23 students who only take math. Finally, we go down to the circle of physics. We have 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 7 is 17. The problem says that we have 47 students that take physics, so 47 minus 17 leaves us with 30 students that only take physics. When we add all this up, we get 95 students. But then we have to remember that we had 10 students that didn't take any of these three subjects, so for a total of 105 students. John should not be hired for this position because he said he did a survey of 100 students when the total that we found is 105.